G'day, how you going? Steve from I'm Enough Coaching, jumping on to unpack the concept behind the change workshop that I've got coming up on the 11th and 12th of September. This one's a 2-day workshop because it's such a massive subject. Change happens all around us, but many of us don't like change. We don't like the uncertainty, we don't like the fear of the unknown, we don't like not being aware of what might be on the other side of change. So what do? We reject it. We hide away from it, and therefore we start to feel stuck because the rest of the world is changing and moving on, and yet we feel that we're being left behind. In this 2-day workshop, what I will be doing is through over 10 models of human behavior, we'll be unpacking the thinking, the concept behind change. We'll be looking at why people are fearful of change. But even more than that, what I want to be able to do is to empower you to embrace change. I want you to feel comfortable with change. Now, depending on where you are in your life, you might actually be in a workplace where you're a manager or a supervisor, or you're responsible for improving change or bringing change in. How do we influence other people? How do we bring change to the group? How do we bring change to our family? How do we bring change to ourselves? And that's what we're going to be covering in this 2-day workshop. I'm really excited about it because there's so many different layers of human behavior, and we're going to start to put them all together. Even more than this, once you've got these concepts of models of human behavior, you'll be able to see how they impact and how they can be used in different areas of your life. So you'll be able to deconstruct the workshop and use all of the different 10 models to be able to move you forward in your own personal life or professional life. Even more than this, you're going to get all of the support materials. You're going to get videos, you're going to get soft copies, you're going to get the breakdowns of these models so that you can keep referring back to them over and over again. This is a workshop that's going to serve you for many, many, many years to come. One of the things that I pride myself on with my workshops is giving more support, more information, so that you don't just walk away from the workshop and think, wow, that was fantastic. It's so that you can implement it and you can refer back to this over and over and over again as many times as you wish. So if you're interested in working out how you can embrace change, how you can start to change your life, or if you are a professional and you're in an area of responsibility where change happens and you want to influence other people and take them on a journey with you, then I highly recommend that you join me on September the 11th and 12th. It's a 2-day workshop. It's being run at Movement Remedies in Gerwood Street. We start at 10 o'clock in the morning and we'll finish at 4 o'clock each day. And it's going to be full of interaction and discussion. It's going to be open. It's going to be safe. So I look forward to seeing you at the Change Workshop on September the 11th and 12th. Until then, take care. Toodaloo.